Um, Today I'm gonna be making a Dia de los Muertos makeup look, and I wanna try something a little bit different. So if you wanna see how this look is gonna turn out, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna be using this. And I like to like just give it a, like touch ups really gentle. I don't like to do this because I feel like it strays all the skin, and I don't like that. I definitely need something right here because I haven't been sleeping. Just got regular lotion on my face because I'm gonna do a lot of things on my face. So if I pull primer, it might look like everything is falling apart, and I don't like that. So, and then next I'm gonna be using this. Like I say, I haven't been sleeping, and this is gonna help. This is for like dark parts in your face. So I'm just gonna do a little bit contour before I put anything in my face, because that's gonna be like part of my base. So everyone have their own tricks, right? Let me do mine. Just don't laugh. You will see later. Next, I'm gonna be using the Milani Concealer Perfect Look. And this one, what number is this one? Is 00BB or OOVB. I'm light, but I'm not too light. And I don't know. It's just so hard. So sometimes I need to mix a couple so I can get a perfect match. But because this look, I need to be a little more lighter on my face. So I'm gonna be using this. Is you will see right now. I'm light, but I'm not too light. And I don't know. It's just so hard. So sometimes I need to mix a couple so I can get a perfect match. But because this look, I need to be a okay, this is my craziness right here. Like I said, sometimes I mix it a little bit. And I don't have the little things to mix them. My baby lost it. So yeah, I was doing my makeup and she grabbed it and she thought it was fun to play with it and she lost it. To make sure that nothing is gonna fall apart and keep it in state, I use my setting hashtag primer spray. And to be honest, I like how everything's set up, so I'm just gonna, sometimes I do it in the brush or in my face before, but I think it's in the brush better. So there you go. Now I'm gonna be showing you something. Like I said, everyone has their own kind of routine or whatever, how they do their makeup, but I'm gonna show you mine. I always like to put the clear powder on my face before I do anything, because it's easier to wipe off. My eyeshadow like this, it's gonna turn out really ugly and it's gonna be so hard to take off, and I had to do everything all over again. So this is easier. There you go. And I'm so sorry for my voice. Like I said, I think I'm getting sick, so I have like a sore throat and I sound like a man. But just ignore it. Just ignore it. I'm so grateful if you're still watching this video. Um, for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be. What is it? I don't know where I put my eyebrows pencil. So I'm just gonna be using this for now. I'm gonna be using this. This is like a dark brown. Yeah, I need to wax my eyebrows. You see it? But I'm gonna let them grow a little bit. I wanna try to fix them because they look pretty bad. The palettes that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Glam palette from JV Cosmetics. It looks like this because I use this one a lot. I love it. And then I'm going to be using the Au Natural as well, because I'm going to be using those colors over here. And then for the green part, I'm going to be using this palette, the Rocket Girl palette from JV Cosmetics as well. And I'm going to be using these 3 greens over here. We'll see what color she's going to turn on with all 3, or maybe use. And then for the eyes, I'm going to be using this. To be honest, you can use anything you want. I like this because it keeps the color really good. So okay, now the base. This is too light, so I'm gonna be using like this and mix it with something right here. So okay, let's go with the next color. I'm gonna be using this over here and this over here. We're gonna mix them together. So what are you doing, princess? I don't know about you, but I like to be even with both of my eyes. If I do one thing on one side, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just don't like to finish one part and then do the other one. It doesn't work for me. So my other eye now. Sorry if I keep like kind of skipping this video, but I don't want you girls to get all boring. Now we're not gonna do an eyeliner, but we're gonna clean our line like we have an eyeliner. You see this? I don't like this, so we're gonna make it clear. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I'm not gonna put anything anymore. I'm trying to work on my base, so okay, I already did my base. Of course, you can do whatever you want, but this is the look that I come up. I don't know, I like it. So now I'm gonna do it with a real paint. So okay, well, my design is done. I'm gonna finish this part over here. You're gonna use the same green we were using in the top. So and we're gonna bring this color down. I'm gonna use the same white liner that I used to do my base. I'm gonna do it inside. I'm gonna use some of my Halloween lashes. I'm gonna be using Classy. So let's see how it looks. What do you girls think? Okay, we're gonna keep going. put a little bit of this. It's a glitter eyeliner, so we'll see. We're gonna try to make this look pop. Okay, I'm back, and sorry it takes so long. Those things take forever. I wanna put a little bit, kind of like a highlight, but glitter. You're gonna say, where you gonna put the highlight? You don't have anything space. Yes, I do. Always have space for highlight. Highlight. Okay, and then okay, so this is the final look. I need to fix this. I don't know how to put it on. Oh well, I will figure out. But thank you so much for watching. And if you want any more looks, if you want something in particular you want me to recreate, please let me know, and I will be happy to do it for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.